Hi everyone, welcome to another Gluten-Free Cooking with Dad. This week is a Halloween special and I'm going to be making Becky XL's Halloween Slime Tart. So let's get straight to it, shall we? So I have a couple of helpers this week. It's Halloween themed, we've got our skeletons and pumpkins set up. And the first thing we're going to do is break up 300 grams of gluten-free chocolate digestives. So the first thing we're going to do is get them out the pack and we're going to use a rolling pin to break them up. So next is 90 grams of unsalted butter, and then we need to melt it. Do you want to pop it in the microwave then?
Microwave.
Now we need to add the crushed biscuits. Let's give it a mix, please.
Mix it.
Okay, yeah, so give it a good mix together. So the next thing I've done is lined a baking tray. It does say to use a tart tin, but we do not have that. So all we do now is you press it down. So we press it down with a spoon. Great, so what we're going to do now is put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. So now for the slime, what we're going to do is put a tin of carnation caramel into a bowl. You can make this yourself, but I found this. So yeah, pour it in if it will.
Ooh. Ooh, caramel.
You can lick the spoon if you want. So I just melted the caramel with a tablespoon of butter, and it's nice and smooth. So if you can add a little bit of green food colouring. Do you want it greener?
Greener, yeah. Yes, greener. It is.
There we go. We have green slime.
Yeah.
Next we need to make the chocolate ganache filling. So what we do is put 300 ml of double cream into a saucepan, and then you want to heat the cream until it's just boiling. Next we're adding 300 grams of dark chocolate. We then want to mix this together. Right, so the biscuit mixture has been in the fridge for 30 minutes. We've got the chocolate ganache and we've got the green slime, which is looking more and more greener. So what we do is we pour it on top of the biscuits.
Satisfying.
Pour this chocolate on. Let's have a look.
Ooh.
There we go, there it is. What do we think?
Oh, that looks nice.
So here's the Halloween slime tart. It's been in the fridge for about 2 hours. So should we cut into it and see what it's like?
Yeah.
Ooh, does look spooky.
Wow.
Right, should we give it a try?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
I'm going to give it a try too.
Oh, that's good.